fix my hair. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Xrsbeauty. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Your girl is coming with that yak today, and let me just say, I am feeling myself, okay? Ken got paid, which means I got paid, so your girl is about to be shopping in style. Listen, this wig right here got your girl feeling herself. Look at the lace. This is a very chill install because I wanted to focus all of my attention on the hairline and the lace. So if you want to see how to keep your edges, protect the edges, and lay your wig like this, make sure you stay tuned for that, okay? As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Xrsbeauty. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Today's install is going to be very simple because I want to keep the focus on the hairline and how I lay my lace. If you're new to wigs, blending your lace and laying your hairline can be problematic if you don't do it just right. So I'm going to show you what I do to get my hairline together. As far as the styling for the wig, we're going to keep that real simple, all right? So first I'm going to tint my lace using my makeup. You can use makeup or your lace tint spray, whatever you have on deck, whatever you're comfortable with. I like using my makeup just because the lace tint spray that I used in the past was just a little bit too messy for me, and I don't want to have that all over my, my workspace. This is my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color Mocha 360. Sometimes I'll use the 330 Toffee if I'm feeling like the lace already has like a little tint to it. This is considered their clear lace, but it does have like an ashy tint to it, so that's why I'm using my Mocha to blend it down for me. I need to cut off the back of the lace really quick. Most of the wigs you get will have this lace on the back, so just cut that off because you don't need that. They did send me an elastic band to put into my wig, which I am going to use because I want this to be as secure as possible. I don't know if I'm going to spray her down just yet. I might though, because again, this is a clear lace and I kind of want to see how it melts into my skin. So we'll see how it sits with and without the lace spray. It is sitting pretty comfortable without my wig grip. Let me use my claw clip this up. Okay, Xrsbeauty, this looks real good. I like how this is sitting on me. When I go in to cut my lace off, I want to keep as much hairline on this wig as possible. First, I need to make sure my ear tabs are where I need them to sit. It's a little long right here to my liking, so I'm just going to take a little bit off right there, not by much. Let me just clip that up so I can get it out the way. Another way I've seen other people do it is to take the wig off, turn it inside out, place it on your head, and then you trace your ear with a white pencil, take it off, turn it back right, and then cut the ear out of your lace. I don't need to do that because there's not too much lace on this wig. Let me use a smaller clip because this is really loose right in here. Okay, like that. I'm just gonna cut directly on that line. That line. Do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna be real careful how I'm cutting this lace off the front because I do not want to mess up my hairline. I'm gonna use my razor. However, if you are not steady with your hand, don't use your razor, okay? Use your scissors if you want your hairline to look a certain way. I'm going to attempt to go real slow. Okay, that way. I'm gonna use my scissors on this side. Now for my hairline, I want my hairs to be down like this. I don't want them pushed back. Like this. I probably can cut this a little bit shorter. Looking good, looking good. I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna spray it across the front here, but I'm gonna leave my sides up just because it's hot and I don't like having my sides, stuck to my face. So I'm just gonna use my Esha spray it across the front like that. Watch the drip. Move these hairs back out of my face. Take my blow dryer on cool and high and blow dry this. Now they didn't send me a band, so I'm gonna use my band that I already have. I'll wrap it down. Like, oh, dang it. Y'all know my head is big, hush. And there we go with that. All right, now I'm going to blow dry this hair with my blow dryer brush because I don't want it to be super sleek, but I need to kind of sleek it out a little bit more because it has some bends in it from the packaging. This is my Revlon blow dryer brush. I want to use it on high. Now let's take off this band so we can see how the hairline is sitting. If you use the spray, when you take the band off, peel it from the top down, because if you just lift it up, it's gonna lift that lace and create that white around there. I'm learning that's what it does. So peel it down like that. I'm gonna do a little spot check with my excess foundation on my makeup brush. Brush that back like this. Again, my sides are up, so I gotta make sure I blend that. Use my wax stick. Get these flyaways under control. Right up in here, right on top. Brush it back and down. And I did mention it in the beginning, but it doesn't come with a strong chemical smell, so you can definitely rock this out the pack. But I do suggest you still wash all your human hair wigs, okay? Now, as you can see over here, it's still a little ashy, so I am gonna use my contour on that side because it's not glued down, so it's not giving me the exact melt that I want. All right, so contour, I'm just gonna tap around that lace right there so it doesn't have that halo effect. But then I gotta blend it because it's a little bit too dark. So just hold up, bear with me. Okay, we're gonna get it together and blend it in like that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of spray right here. Again, I'm not spraying it all the way around my hairline. I'm just touching up certain areas so it can lay a little bit flatter. So I'm gonna put some spray right here on the side. Y'all see that hairline? Is this my hair? Just put my glasses on like this. This looks real good. Brush that down. You don't gotta spray your whole wig down if you don't want to. If you're not wearing the entire hairline out, I mean, why? Don't be wasting product and don't be taking off unnecessary edges, okay? It's a little ashy around the edge part. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of my contour and tap that in like that. I am getting some shedding with this wig, but it's literally like little teeny pieces. Use a little bit of my pressed powder in my parting space. Once I get my brush, pop it right in there. Make sure it's all blended. Oh, this looks good. I'm gonna cut a little bit of length right off of this one because it's a little long. Bring that back behind the ear like that. And that's pretty much it. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. I want you to get into this hairline. That was the main point of this video. Xrsbeauty did not disappoint with this one. I love how I laid this wig down on me. I didn't pluck anything. You barely saw me tint the lace. I pretty much just worked with what they gave me, and what they gave me was top tier. Now normally I like the kinky straight on me just because it's a lot fuller and fluffier, but I'm starting to feel myself with the yak, okay? The Yaki straight is definitely giving me a vibe and I'm here for it. Now the only thing I would tell you to pay attention to is the lace buckling. For some reason with Xrsbeauty wigs and some other ones that have the clear lace, the lace buckles really bad in the front. Mine is buckling. You probably can't really see it on the camera, but this picture right here will show you exactly what I'm talking about. Because I didn't stretch the lace when I put it on, I wasn't really thinking about it. It buckled when it dried. So make sure that when you spray this down, if you spray it down, you pull it tight when you're spraying it down and then let it dry that way so it does not buckle. I could pull it back in a ponytail like this if I want to, or I could do like a little claw clip. Let me see. Claw clip, bring it down, hold up, like that. Make sure you hide your band in the back. Y'all, wear these wigs. Rock these wigs, don't let them rock you. Hello, I like this on me. Okay, I'm here for it. What you may not be here for is that price point, because you know, Xrsbeauty does come for the pockets. So you may need to call the Sugar Babe, the Sneaky Link, or Daddy Pawpaw, or maybe all three. Get some money from all of them, okay? 'Tis the season. We are less than 6 months away from Christmas. Get your list ready. As always, I will put the direct link for this unit down below as well as the coupon code. Shout out one more time to Xrsbeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.